It's me again, Steve, or Chris, or you wanna call me. I still never cleaned my window. But look, snow is covering the cars now. You can see it's still snowing. I'm still waiting for a snowstorm I hear about. Because right now, it's at 1:35, but you can go to school. Makes no sense. Like, I wanted to go to school. I had a science test today and everything. So that made me mad. I'm happy because I missed it too. And I don't have to go to school. So yeah. You see my stepdad's truck still. None of my family left today. So tune in next time. I'll be doing videos all day today. If power comes out, I will tell you right away, okay? Bye.